Hi there, this is Karen with inspiredbygram.com. Welcome to my craft studio. Today I'm bringing you the August card club. There are just a few days left to enroll in my card club to receive this one here, which is showcasing the Beauty of the Earth Designer Series paper. I close out on August 20th at 8 p.m. Eastern Time. And I would love to be able to share my card designs with you and create on a monthly basis. So let's go over Card Club. If you're not familiar with my Card Club, you will receive 4 different card kits, 2 of each design. So you'll be making a total of 8 cards, and you will be receiving all of the die cuts already for you. Die cut, and if there's embossing panels, there'll be embossed panels included as well. The only thing that you will need to do is cut your designer series paper to specifications that I include in the written tutorial. So let's take a look at the cards I designed for you this month. We are using the Beautiful Friendship stamp set. This one's super cute with the little tiny little bird there. Love the little tiny bird. The dies here come from Sunflowers dies, and I just simply stamped on the Stampin' Up envelope, thank you. And then here's one that's called Thinking of You. This one uses both sides of the designer series paper. These trees will come die cut to you. I'm cutting them in Misty Moonlight and Night of Navy. And that's the inside of the card. Really, really beautiful, showcasing both sides of the designer series paper along with the trim that's included as well. And then here's our envelope. Card number 3 is called You Truly Inspire Me. I used the bark embossing folder on the Cajun Craze and the gold trim as well. Beautiful, elegant trim. And then here's the sentiment on the envelope as well. And then finally, the 4th card design is a bookbinding fold, and it's called Friendships Refresh the Soul. And here's 2 cute birds showcasing friendship between the 2 of them. And then the inside of the card, and you can see the elegant gold trim here used. So I'll just lay these out for you so you can kind of see them. I'm really happy with the designs this month. I'm happy with all the designs, quite honestly. We have 22 members in my monthly card club. This is for US subscribers only. So a month of August, you would receive a 6x12 pack of the Beauty of Earth Designer Series paper. It's a full pack. Simply elegant trim in gold and silver, which you can see here on the cards. And there's 10 yards total, so you'll get to make your cards here, and this trim is beautiful. It can be used for lots of 3D projects along with Christmas cards, and we all know we'll be making Christmas cards very soon if you haven't already started. And they'll also include the elegant faceted gems. Now this is not a full pack, this is the one I've been working on, but they come in 3 different colors, clear and like a petal pink and like a white. So super fun there. The clear ones here you could actually color with your blends and make them any of the Stampin' Up colors that the blends come in. I also provide written instructions that will be emailed to you as a PDF, and I also print out the PDF in color copies too, so you can have them. No need for you to print on your side. I also include a pre-recorded video with step-by-step instructions for each card kit. If I need to make a product substitution, like say these faceted gems are no longer available or on back order, I would just include something that would go very nicely with it. So my monthly card club is a recurring subscription, so it gives you a package sent to your door every single month and at least 8 fabulous cards and the supplies you need to make with them. Once in a while, I'll send a free bonus inside as well. I do really nice packaging. Always include a tag, of course, and you'll receive at least $20 worth of Stampin' Up products that you will use with your projects. And of course, there's plenty of products left over to use on your future projects as well. The stamp sets, dies, adhesives, glue dots, all that kind of stuff. That's not included unless I state so. If you consistently subscribe for 6 months, so there's no break, I will send you a gift in your card club when you hit the 6-month cycle of $25 worth of Stampin' Up! Products. And then your cycle will return at 1 on that 7th month, so you can always earn your $25 every 6 months. So it's going to be consecutively. And if you just want to subscribe for 1 month, that's easy too. You just subscribe and then you can cancel after that. So it's very easy. And if you want to include the bundles, I'm always kind of working on bundles. I'm using the Beauty of Friendship and Beautiful Trees dies. That can be simply added on to along with the ink colors as well. So if you're interested in learning more about my card club or want to register, please register before the 20th of the month by 8 o'clock Eastern time. Once 8 o'clock comes around at night, I will be ordering all the supplies and cutting all the paper in the next week to ship out. Usually I ship out around the 25th to the 28th. It all depends on when I receive my Stampin' Up! Order. So for more information, you can find the link to order at inspiredbygram.com. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.